bright and squirrely.
We made it.
7:30 in the morning on Friday for practice. So in not our normal fashion, we're early.
You're fine now. Keep going. I don't think it's because of this. If I wouldn't have done this, you would have been.
Yep, well,
That's one way to do it.
that's the way she goes.
Georgia. Georgia. No, we're not there. Well, we're here. Round 1, day 1. OKKK, Klutch Kickers they call it. We got official team driver Brian Kaufman.
It's a beautiful day.
Are you happy to be here instead of Prestige BMW, not affiliated with Taxi Garage LLC?
Well, I'm not making any money, but we're making memories. Can't put a price on that.
Can't put a price on experiences.
No, you cannot. I may be broke, but I'll have stories.
I like it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey,
It's official.
let me just get those buggers out of your nose. Just trim his.
Clone stamp.
Let me just make sure his mustache is good.
It's like watching a car wreck.
No, I'll left more.
Yeah.
Do that. Look at that, huh?
Bubble in the brim, bubble in the brim.
You have 2 of them, right? Or just 1?
I have 2 more.
I was thinking, I was messing around over here. There's cement KRLs too.
See them wobbling? Yeah, they're wobbling. Yeah, pinch it on both sides. Like, don't put the force in the middle of the box. Put on the corners.
Okay, I'm trying to hold the box up too.
Yeah. You do the one. Someone do bars. Someone do box. I got a box.
Yeah, obviously. Backwards.
Thrust angle. 4, yeah, so you point 0, 1.
Mm-hmm. Over 0.
Yeah, close. We're not talking about no words right now.
No. We're trying to. Guess we're gonna go to tech.
You ready?
Yeah, we have Jackson here helping us measure thrust angle, which I have no clue about.
Yeah, I feel it.
Part-time pest control right now. Gotta get a bird out of the freaking...
Bird!
Oh,
Baby bird?
there's like 3 of them.
Oh! Save those guys.
I don't know, the mama won't come out.
You got a little bit of grass. There you go.
I seen it. I was like, hell.
How do you feel about Ryan's car being here and ready to
I'm just
compete?
surprised he's not on a 205 knowing Ryan. You know? The 205, 35, 18 or something out here. Or 17. What was that on the Z?
Running the accelerators all weekend?
Yeah. We're wearing coattails. We're not doing full suits because it's too much work.
With tire markers right behind that.
Okay. You doing iPhone photos?
Yeah, can you pan it up high enough?
I mean, kind of.
Or should I just take it off?
It looks hysterical.
Honestly, just go for it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be crunked mostly to your face.
And just face like all the way towards me.
Alright, so then the wind, my god.
There you go.
Style.
Coattail
All
gets
right, it's like a coat or like a cape. Majestic.
All right, you got it.
Let me see these.
Okay.
Eyes closed, eyes closed. See, this is why we're good for No, it's
Yeah,
too bright.
sunglasses are fine.
I spent all that time photoshopping the
Yeah,
bags
that's
under
what-
your
yeah.
eyes, and now look what they're using.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, bet. Look, check it out.
Those are much better. You can definitely see that.
This is the funniest shit ever.
But honestly, that's kind of what makes it. It's just like, it's so low key and grass
All right,
racing.
1,
It's just funny.
2, 3. All right, check it out. Like that. Look at that.
Oh my god, send it. Fuck yes.
Look out.
Coattail gang.
Cool.
Hey! Lick 'em and stick 'em.
Now to do this though, I'm gonna have to rewire.
Hey, first and foremost, as I always start, from all of us at Klutch Kickers, we want to say thank you. These events wouldn't be really popular if y'all didn't show up, spend your hard-earned money out here every day, trying to come out here and have a little bit of fun. So from all of us to y'all, thank y'all. Appreciate it.
Jose, it's been a minute, dog. The Green Goblin.
Yes, sir.
Green sprinkles.
We're about to find out.
That much faster? Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. May I have another?
Let that calm cool.
You really think we're gonna make it out of the trash?
We're gonna try.
I just almost ate shit going down the bank.
They didn't care.
I think they want to see it. Everyone
But
smile.
on the bank, you have to do opposite.
No, if you get fast
It pulls
enough,
you
it'll
up
pull
to
you
the top.
Yeah.
I don't know if your guys' carts will do
We'll
it.
just-
To run the Klutch Kickers layout.
Pro walk?
This is the pro walk. Instead of walking it, we're
This is
riding
how we
it.
walk it out. We graduated from the amateur. And we're off.
Amateur.
Get it.
going, I was playing catch up, and then I got in the left foot brake on the bank, and I'm not really even quite sure after even watching the replay. The car just snapped straight, and I almost went up in the wall, and I saved it, and then we continued on.
Yeah.
But it was definitely pucker effect. Like that's probably one of the closer like wall crash experiences I've had in a while.
Beautiful weather, as you see. Florida was pouring rain. It was basically a monsoon. But Cletus killed it, cleaned up the track, and got us back out there for practice. We had a great couple runs. Got to tandem with Chelsea tonight. That was a huge plus. Got to tandem with Nick tonight. That was a huge plus. Got some input on how to set up the car a little bit more too. So really stoked on that. Car performed really well. Couldn't have done it without all the team. Charlie, Nick, Casey, Jose, Rich, all of us out here. It doesn't happen without the team effort. That's what really makes us. No way we'd be out here if it wasn't for all of us. So I'm stoked. Couldn't be better, and I'm ready to shred tomorrow. That's what it's about. Have some fun.
We're done with practice here, day one of Klutch Kickers. So that's exciting. We're all in one piece still. I just had a little bit of a scare. Somehow I snapped out and like almost went into the wall. But we've only had one minor problem. The fuel pump circuit of some sort has had a problem or compromised of some sort. We haven't really looked at it yet. Jackson ran over and we straight wired the fuel pump so I could at least get 1 or 2 more runs. Because earlier we got a torrential downpour for 2 hours and the whole track was full of water, like a lake. So anyway, basically I want to like pull the car apart, look at the fuse box, see what's going on with the actual fuel wiring. I don't know if I really want to run just straight fuel pump wiring the whole time. And we're going to get to this and then qualify tomorrow.
We got to work on a fuel pump, I've heard. I'm prepared.
Turn it on, turn it on, turn it on.
You want it on?
Yeah. We love our Smartly. Pick it up and give me a little bite.
We love Smartly.
Go through the back, go through the back.
We love Smartly. Smartly loves us and drifting.